Hey man, it's just two dudes watching some Hwa Sa. Nothing wrong with that. Hey, what you doing behind me?
What's up, baby?
What's up?
What you?
I was amping you up, bro. Sick, bro.
What is that? Oh,
Some mini TVXQ light
mini
stick.
TVXQ light stick. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that? K-pop store? So today we're gonna be checking out Hwa Sa's new comeback. I'm does that say I'm a bitch?
Yeah, I don't know.
What is that?
Oh, bit. I guess it's play on work.
I saw a little bit on her IG, so I was like, oh shit, I actually want to check this
Wait,
out.
is this live?
Yeah, we're recording right now.
Bing bang.
All right, but we're gonna just get into this, yo. We got
So
some.
hold on. I want to let you know this.
What? Just want to see some Hwa Sa, bro.
Mama Moo, my favorite song is still Piano Man.
Your favorite song's Piano Man, like from Mamamoo.
Yeah, and then the song.
In 3, 2, 1. Hwa Sa. Okay, we got a box. Why is it loopy? Oh,
Loot crate.
damn!
Oh, imagine that being in your delivered to your house.
That's weird. I wouldn't know what to do. Not even just Hwa Sa, just
I'd be scared.
a random human being just delivered to your house. You're like,
I'd be scared.
I'd be scared too. What do you do? Anyways, what made it?
Wow.
Girl, you okay? You need help?
She's wet.
Yes.
Boy, if you don't.
Observation. Captain Obvious. What is happening?
It's an ominous
Ooh.
sound score in the background.
Ooh. Door opens.
Interesting.
Nice little transition, actually. Sorry for pausing.
DPR, we gang gang. DPR, we gang gang. DPR, we gang gang.
Shout out to the editing. Did the same thing for DPR. Those are nice nails. Hold up.
Ooh.
Okay.
Eerie vocal.
Ooh, like very eerie,
I
yeah.
like her short hair like that.
Did you actually cut her hair?
Ooh.
Ooh, what a shot. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, she's so fine.
God. Ooh. Ooh, her
See how I hit
short hair.
lo-fi the beat right
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Fire.
That's
Fire.
pretty fire. Wait, what? Her nails hella long. God damn. Oof. Yo, it's fire.
Okay.
I like the ooze, like ooh.
The red and blue contrast. Bro.
Yeah, and she's red, obviously the focus of attention. Okay, let's go, Hwa Sa. She looking so badass in them glasses.
Right?
Oh, this is Mamamoo, right?
Oh my god.
Shout out to Mamamoo. Yeah. What?
I don't.
Actually, actually don't know.
I'm stupid.
What is that?
I don't know what that says.
Someone in the comments, please correct us.
Oh my god.
Ooh. What's this, God? Did they say song? G.O.D. Oh, Savage.
It's like backwards, right?
Yeah, all backwards, like a mirror. That's my rule. Oh, that's clever.
Oh my god.
Whoever directed this and like, oh my god, that's clever. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope.
Shout out to the director.
I really like all the sets so far.
Easily my favorite Hwa Sa comeback.
Ooh, wait, hold up. What's she doing? Why'd she cut it out? Ah, damn. But she's always on that like bad bit kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? All the water. She thirsty?
I'm thirsty.
Oh,
Yo.
that's kind of crazy.
Yo, chill out
That's
with
kind
this
of crazy.
editing, bro.
That's kind of crazy. Oh, I love the art
I
style.
love retro.
Yeah, I love
vibes.
that, and I just love the art style like they're choosing.
Yeah.
The focusing on just like that.
This is one hell of a music video.
What is happening? Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Pop off. This is
It's like
focus.
contemporary dance, yeah.
Right. Wait. Oh, wait. Hold up.
Couple times.
Double time. Double time. Double time. She in that combo.
Oh my god.
Oh. That was an interesting shot. Oh.
Cutting though. Shout out
But
to
from 3 scenes to keep it in 1.
Yeah.
That's nice. Was she looking down and up?
Nice use of the EQ there.
Ooh.
Hold up. I know we're pausing a lot, but go back.
Yeah.
Because that's the last hook. I'm always, when it comes to like building songs, I like to always make every hook a little different.
Right.
And the third hook always has to be very impactful, either with like ad libs or cuts. But what they did there is like they EQ'd most of the beat out for the first bar. And then,
Let me see.
that was fire.
Whoa.
It's like a party next door kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's fire. That's fire. Ooh, and the visual just hits it different too. Chills.
Oh.
Course. Of course. Of course. It's dope.
She have an album?
Dope. It's I'm a vid.
It's like a play on words saying bitch.
Right?
It's a ch. That's a ch. I think consonant in the Korean language. Because it's b-i-ch. Bitch. I'm a bitch, basically.
Just a play on words. Ooh, Fendi. Okay. Ooh.
Oh
I guess her next comeback has to do something with
the
this.
symbolism, though.
Yeah,
Fuck
I know.
with that.
Yeah. Yo, that was fire. That was fire. I was like, I have to see this because it looks dope from the tutting. I think she just posted the tutting part where it changed scenes. But everything from editing to music video to, I guess, EQ wise.
No, it's production. Like, I love the retro sound. Like, her voice really was, like, I like when she sang it, like, quietly almost at times.
Right.
But, like, production brought the volume up so it's, like, in your face.
Yeah, right. Especially at, like, before the chorus hits, too.
Yeah.
And then, like you said, it's like a party next door. I thought you meant, like, the artist party next door.
No.
But you meant, like, there's a party.
Basically, what happens is, like, when you hear, like, a party in another building or something, it's like the low frequencies are coming out, the lower ones.
It'll hit more.
So what they did in the production is, like, they took out most of the high end and the mid end, so you could just hear that. But they left the vocals the same, EQ. So then the drums come in and then, boom, it comes right back in the second bar.
That's fire.
Yo, Hwa Sa though.
Killing the game. I see you already. Chilling.
You a
chilling.
queen. You a queen.
Queen. Let's get it. But
This
hey,
this is my favorite song out right now.
no, yeah. It's been a minute since I like kept up with like a lot, but Hwa Sa, I'm a bitch. I don't want to say that, but I guess that's like the play on words of that. Yeah, gotta check it out. Link in the description down below for the full music video. Go check out Salvi. Follow him on Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Instagram.
Watch him start writing for your fave soon.
He might start writing for your fave soon. You know, he be doing work. He may be doing work. That's why he's here in LA right now. But thank you guys for watching. Catch me on Twitch. I'll be back on Twitch soon. I've been just going through a lot right now. Just a little busy here and there. Just vibing as well. And yeah, see you guys till next time. Bye bye.
I did that.
What, you just kissed me? You gave me a kiss?
No, not you for Hwa Sa.
Oh, that was for me.
Hey, you better subscribe.
imagining. Lost inside your games while you're working up a sweat. Kissing on your body from your feet up to your head. Feel